I wanted to ask, like, is there any tool you recommend for the AI video ads? I am thinking to use Higgsfield.
Higgsfield. Higgsfield.
Yes.
Higgsfield.
Okay.
Higgsfield is the best one. Nothing comes close to it.
Yeah, yeah. The challenge for me right now is that all the ads I have to shoot myself. I'm thinking to find a way where like my team can help me with that.
Don't do it.
Okay.
Trust me, don't do it.
Okay.
You would think it's ROI, but it's not. Don't.
Okay.
Use Higgsfield to, be more creative and do some other things, okay? But don't clone yourself. For cloning yourself, Hagen will be a better option, but don't do it.
Okay.
Trust me, don't.
Okay. Got it.
Okay?
Okay.
Like
I
try
got it.
try doing it like
Yeah.
once or twice, see what is working, then double down on it, but don't go all in on that. But
Okay.
as of
Okay.
now, I would say don't do it altogether. It's not working.
Okay.
Every Tom, Dick, and Harry, once they figure out that AI would work, they just go all in and start doing it without any. It's like okay. So I think Kunal Shah said this that keyboard was invented, like piano or keyboard, whatever you call it. Okay, but not everyone is able to create music out of it, right? So
Yes.
AI is just like piano and keyboard, okay, and everyone is like thinking like they are yeah, Rahman. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. That's
And
not how things go.
Sannidhya, like, what is your thought on this? Like, just let's say I'm using Higgsfield. What is the most important thing which matters? That's the scripting of the ad, or like, what is the like core element in it? Like, I understand that, like, if the ad is good, it will gonna work. But I don't understand the differentiation between I am actually creating the ad and let's say I create ad using Xfield. I think the all the elements, the scripting, everything will be same, but I don't have to shoot and I can create visuals using that tool.
It's more like a trust economy, and people will be able to see through that this is a AI ad. As soon as they see
Okay.
AI, there are so many AI ads as of now that it won't act as a novelty to them. People in marketing respond to novelty much better than anything else which is there.
Okay.
You eliminating novelty from an ad would immediately decrease the trust factor, increasing your CPC. Even though your CR will be really good, it will never be able to compensate the CPC because CPC will go off the roof. And
Okay.
once it goes off the roof, it becomes harder for people to come to the page and then convert. And since that is happening, therefore, things will go even downhill from there. When it just started out, it was novelty,
Yes.
okay? Then Ghibli
Okay.
images and all those things came in, right? And all of a sudden, it flooded the internet with that,
Yes.
and then people got quickly fed up of what the hell is happening. Now
Okay.
they're going back to what. So there is an effort to creating ads when you're doing it manually, so there
Okay.
is a limited supply. Always understand that factory ready and handmade, okay, there will be a huge price difference. Okay, so since there is a huge price difference over there, okay, the reason is because demand and supply.
Mm.
Okay, so yeah, that's
Got
how
it.
economics work,
Okay, man. Got it. Thank you.
right?
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay, we'll just tell you what's wrong with your account, and if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.